Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 Chevy Express G2500. It's a Vortec engine. That's a great engine. I'll go ahead and close this up. So it does have fixed running boards. And this does have a retrofitted kit on it. So a lot of these modifications are not stock. See, it does have a hitch. It also has bumpers. There are your drawers and stows. There's reflective tape right there on the side. These are galvanized running boards. Okay, now let's go ahead and show you the interior front cab. Here's the VIN right there. Okay, you see this vehicle has 5,000, it only has 5,600 miles on it. Then that doesn't really flicker at all. It's just refresh rate in my camera that makes it look like that. And you come over here and you've got your cruise control, trailering settings, and you have an aftermarket stereo as well, Alpine. That'll have AM, FM, and Bluetooth and disc. As you come down here, you've got your cup holders, glove compartments, additional power supplies. And that about wraps it up for this van. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. It was stolen. Had an impact up front. Airbags did deploy, but there was no structural damage, so we were able to get it all fixed up, and it has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.